Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the 2014 14 Reg short wheelbase Ford Transit diesel panel van. It's a one owner from new. It's 2014. It's only done 67,000 miles from new. Vehicle was a Category C accident damage in 2016. Has gone through quite a few MOTs since then. But Category C 2016, it's quite a few years ago, 5 years ago. 67,000 miles. It's a 125 brake horsepower. There's no VAT on the vehicle, no VAT. It's clean and tidy. It's not immaculate. It has got a few marks here and there. I will point them out as I walk round. It's recently had new tyres fitted. It's got a Pioneer CD stereo fitted. It's 2 keys. It's got security locks on the vehicle as well. It's got a small mark on the wing here. A few stone chips across the front of the bonnet. Small crack in the corner of the window screen. But apart from that, clean van, black alloys, recently new tyres, no VAT to pay. Anything else you'd like to discuss, just drop us an email, give us a call. We're open 7 days a week. Okay, thanks for tuning into the YouTube channel and hope to speak to you soon.